Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be speaking about the Power of 3 concept and a strategy you can use using the Power of 3 concept, okay? So the first question is, what is the Power of 3 concept? Well, it consists of these three key elements, okay? So first is the accumulation, then the manipulation, then the distribution, okay? Now the accumulation is essentially when price consolidating, okay? Price consolidating, that means the price is accumulating. And then we get the manipulation phase, which is actually sort of a breakout, you can say, and takes out one side of the consolidation. And this is manipulating people in the market to think, okay, this is broke out, so it's going to continue going up, okay? However, that's not the case. So that's the manipulation phase. So once the manipulation phase happens, then we get the distribution. Now we want to be getting in the distribution phase, okay? Now how? Well, I've got some set rules that I've made. So manipulation has to occur, so either these highs or these lows have to get taken, and then once manipulation occurs, scale down to the lower time frame and look for a displacement move with a market structure shift. So we'll go down to lower time frame, look for a displacement move, some sort of move down, creating a market structure shift, and then we can enter off of a fair value gap. Obviously take profit varies, it could be these lows over here, it could be this low, but yeah. Before I actually get onto the examples, in this scenario, what price could have actually done is, if we were up here, if we came up into here and we stopped again, and then we came down to take these lows, this could be manipulation because we've taken out one side of the consolidation, okay? Then this could be the distribution, okay? So it all depends on which side the manipulation is, okay? So if for example, this is the manipulation, these highs get taken, however these lows are still there, okay? There's still liquidity resting below here, sell side liquidity, okay? So let's actually get into the charts, okay? So as you can see in this example, we've actually got this accumulation going on right now. Let me just change this color to blue. So we've got this accumulation going on right now. So we've got some sort of consolidation. There's no real side to the market, okay? In this fractal, okay? There's nothing going on. It's just ranging. It's consolidating. This is the accumulation phase, remember? Actually, let me just mark this here. Accumulation, okay? Now, what I expect price to do, okay, is take out either these lows or these highs. Once price takes out the highs, okay, then I'm expecting price to come down, okay? Now, it doesn't have to take the highs first. It could take the lows first and then go up, okay? So it could actually do something like this. Take the lows of this consolidation, take sell side liquidity, and then actually go up and take these buy side liquidity, okay? Now we're just going to wait and see what happens. So of course we're still in this accumulation, it's just still consolidating, and then boom, what happens? We get this manipulation move down, okay? Get this manipulation move down. Now, just mark this as red. Now, remember what I said, you go down to low time frame. So low time frame could be the 5 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute. Looking at this fractal, there's not much movement going on, so I'm not going to go down to 15 because I need more information, I need more data, so I'm going to go down to the 3 minute time frame because I may get more insight, okay? So we're now on the low time frame, like our rules stated. We're on the low time frame. Remember, like the rule stated, once you get the manipulation, so this is the manipulation, we're taking out the sell side liquidity. Once we've got the manipulation, go to the low time frame. So I'm on the low time frame now, 3 minute chart, and then look for a market structure shift and displacement. So we want a displacement move up, okay? Now, this could be a market structure shift. Some of you may think, well, how's that a market structure shift? Well, it's a fractal high. What I mean by that is because if you go down to the 1 minute time frame, you can see it is actually a swing high that's created a new swing low. So let's go back down to 3-minute time frame. And what I want is the displacement move up, market structure shift, and a fair value gap to enter off of. Okay, and let's see. So of course we come further down, push up, we create this market structure shift, and cool, we've got this market structure shift, we've got this nice push up. See, there's quite a bit of energy towards it, there's nice displacement. So market structure shift. Now what? Fair value gap to enter off of. Let me just change the color of this. This is our fair value gap. So the top of this first wick to the bottom of the third wick, okay, this fair value gap, this inefficiency here. Now what we're going to do? Well, we're just going to go long here, stops somewhere below here, and then take profit would be buy side liquidity. I like aiming for the low hanging target. However, just for this case, I'm going to be targeting the buy side liquidity. So the buy side liquidity is obviously these highs over here. And let's see what price does. Okay, cool, we get tapped in. As you can see, price just touches into the fair value gap. And then let's just see what price does. And then we hit TP easily, okay? That would have been a 4.4R, so a 1 to 4. And yeah, let's just get into another example. Okay, so as you can see in this example, we've actually got accumulation going on over here. Okay, we've got accumulation going on over here. So the price is just consolidating whatever. There's no clear directional bias, you can say. And nothing's happening, okay? Now, what do we get? We get this move up, taking out what? The buy side liquidity, so the highs of this consolidation. So what do you want to look for? Well, we want to go down to the low time frame and look for a market structure shift. Okay, so obviously it's taking these highs out. And then just mark out accumulation. Okay. And this is overnight, so this is after market hours. Okay, so this is when there's no volatility in the market. So we're just going to put it forward until the next new day, New York local time. So of course now in the new day, and we've obviously had this huge manipulation move, and of course this was overnight for US and UK citizens, US and UK traders, and a lot of us. Okay, and essentially what we're going to look for now is some sort of market structure shift. Now we can go down to the low time frame, or we could just use the 15-minute. Why? Because there's a lot of data here, and we can use that to our advantage. Okay, so what we want to wait for now? What do we want to wait for? Remember the rules. We want to see a market structure shift with displacement, so an energetic move down, and then a fair value gap to enter off of. So where could our market structure shift be? Could be here. Okay, this swing low that created this swing high. I want to see this get taken. Okay, so it gets taken, and then we could take sales off this. However, we're just going to let price play out and see what happens. If it does come into here with bull sell, obviously we're just getting this displacement move down. Let's just mark out the fair value gaps we could enter off of. So we've got this fair value gap. Okay. Until price returns into one of these, you won't react. Okay. Obviously we've got this huge displacement move down, so talk about displacement. This is the displacement move with the market structure shift. Okay, and obviously price is just coming down. Now you've got these two fair value gaps we can enter off of. Okay, now which one will I be choosing? Well, I'm going to be choosing this one because price may not reach into this one. However, if it does, it doesn't matter because I'm going to put my stop loss at this high, holding it accountable for this fair value gap. Okay, so I'm going to go short at this fair value gap, put my stop loss at this high, and then my take profit will be at this consolidation low, so the low of the accumulation. So let me just mark out. Okay, this accumulation, we've got manipulation going on over here, and then this move will obviously be our this move over here, and will be the distribution. Okay, of course we want to be getting in on the distribution. We want to have a piece of the pie before it gets to this low or these lows over here. Okay, so we're going short over here, and let's see what price does. Okay, price reaches near it. Okay, price taps into this fair value gap, and then we just start to sell off, and then we take the low. Okay, now we've taken the low, and that's a 2.4R, so 1 to 2, and yeah, that's the power of 3. You can use it, so the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, of course if you extend this out, you can really see the bulk of this move, and the main move happened because of what happened over here, where the accumulation, buy side liquidity was taken out. Okay, sell side was still resting below, which hasn't been taken, so we know the market will come down and take it. Okay, and obviously you can see the price just keeps melting down. Okay, and this is just our distribution phase. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I hope that was insightful. Okay, I hope you learned something, and yeah, make sure you go into the description below. My Instagram will be linked below. Make sure you follow that. My public trading Telegram channel will also be linked below. Make sure you join that. And then of course my mentorship is also linked below. If you do want to join that, there's a few spaces left. I teach a bit more in depth. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope this was insightful. And until next time, goodbye.